today, they're fabricating metal handrails that are going to match this sweep on this side as well as on this side. And they're being fabricated just down the street from here. Hey, Jay, good to see you again.
David, how are you?
Oh, yeah. So you're going to be helping us out with this beautiful staircase we got, huh?
Yep, absolutely.
So you were out there to take a look at it, right? Yep. Very impressive with the stonework.
Looks great.
Yeah,
it really does. Looks nice.
So you're going to help us make it equally impressive with the handrail? What are we thinking?
So obviously, as nice as that entrance is, they wanted to use something a little special, so they went with some bronze.
Bronze,
rail.
huh?
Yep, pipe rail.
And how do you guys think about this in terms of, I don't know, gauge or weight, length?
Well, it's a bronze pipe, 1.9 inches in diameter.
Okay.
So we buy it in a straight length, 21-footer.
So big, long, 21-foot tube?
Straight piece, correct, yep.
Okay. And what is this here? This isn't bronze, right?
Nope, that piece there is a template that we have done prior at the site in combination with some field measurements.
So it's steel?
It's steel, absolutely.
Gotcha, okay.
Yep. And then we went down and we dry fitted that to make sure when we got back here we had a true template to form the actual bronze width.
And it looks like you've transferred some marks from one to the other onto this one.
Yep.
Okay.
Just for reference marks.
All right, so how do we fabricate it? How do we bend it?
What we'll do is we'll put it through the machine.
All right, let's do it. So interesting, he's got the level down there. Mike's job is to keep that thing orientated right.
Correct. And the rollers will pass it through.
So now we're going to get the sense of the radius, lining him up to his marks. Look at that, huh? So you're pretty close, right?
Yeah, that looks good.
Not much daylight in there. Okay, let's see how we did here. They've got it traced out on the cardboard.
They do. Right here to simulate the steel one.
What do you think? Look pretty good?
It does, it looks great.
Nice job. And so next steps?
Next step here is we'll cut the end off that's long. We can then solder our finished product on.
Beautiful. And then when that's all put together, off to be finished?
When it's all done, it'll go off to the finisher.
Nice.
Correct.
Real nice.
Yep.
And that's about it. Now all we have to do is polish it and make it look pretty.
A perfect complement to the stone is the brass handrail, custom made for us. This thing is gorgeous. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.